Taurus, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading ngayong June 24 to 30, 2024. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. So let's see, Taurus. Anong ganap sa inyo ngayong week na to? What's up? Anong ganap sa mga Taurus? Oh. Okay, Taurus. Mukhang may selosan. You have the Two of Pentacles, bottom of the deck. So this is about, trying to, parang meron kang wini-weigh, pros and cons. Ano saan makakabuti, saan hindi, alam mo yun, parang bibili ng sasakyan. Na syempre, hindi ka lang basta-basta bibili ng sasakyan. Manonood ka ng mga videos muna, mga reviews, i-compare mo yung mga natitipuhan mong sasakyan kung saan ka mas makakatipid, saan mas sulit, alam mo yun. So, you have the Eight of Pentacles, Six of Cups, the Hermit. Some of you, parang ewan ko yung iba may regrets. Meron kayong pagsisihan sa naging decision ninyo in the past, na ngayon nyo lang marirealize na, oops, sayang, dapat pala ganun. Pero kasi, yung mga decision natin, pag nakapag-decide ka na, panindigan mo. Although, may mga pagkakataon na pwede mo siyang balikan, ayusin. Pero may mga pagkakataon naman na mas maganda na mag-move on ka na lang, no? At work on it, kung ano yung pwede mong gawin para maging functional yung napili mo. Okay? Mas maging pabor sa'yo. So, your overall energy is the Five of Swords. This can be a conflict with someone, no? Pwedeng merong misunderstanding, okay, that may result to disappointments. I feel like someone is not being true to you, no? Hindi nagiging totoo sa'yo, na pwedeng naging resulta ng away. Parang yun nga, selos. Pwedeng merong person nagsiselos sa'yo, or ikaw nagsiselos sa person mo. Yun lang, medyo mag-ingat kasi pwedeng mauwi to sa separation kung talagang ipupush nyo yung sarili, yung each other, no? You will push each other. Parang push against each other, ganun. Oo. Yung parang ipoprovoke nyo pa yung isa't isa. 'Di ba? Kasi kung meron ditong mas nakakaintindi, mananahimik lang muna siya eh. Kasi alam niya na hindi pa siya ready for any result na hindi maganda para sa relationship. So, kumbaga parang kung magre-react siya, alam niya na kapag nag-react siya ng violently, pwedeng mauwi sa separation. So, kung ayaw niya pa ng separation, hindi muna siya magre-react violently. Hahayaan niya lang muna to. But someone is feeling betrayed. So, maaring meron ditong nagre-react sa ginawa ng isang tao sa kanya, na parang feeling niya hindi niya dine-deserve. This can be a romantic relationship or sa workplace. Just take whatever resonates, okay? So, your opportunity is the Queen of Swords. For some of you, meron kayong opportunity na mag-set ng boundaries dito sa conflict na to with someone. Yung iba naman, pwedeng hindi niya na nakaya na magstay. You may be cutting off a connection, a relationship with someone na sa tingin mo ay hindi mo din deserve yung ganong klaseng treatment, yung ganong klaseng pakikitungo sa'yo, 'di ba? And your blessing is the Queen of Pentacles. You are independent, no? Kayang-kaya mo alagaan yung sarili mo. You are someone who knows your worth. Alam mo kung ano yung halaga mo. Kaya hindi ka magsasettle sa anything na less than what you deserve. You will not settle for crumbs. Diba? So, your money, career, finances, you have the Four of Wands, the Chariot, and the Hierophant. Oh my God. Mm. As a blessing nga, di ba? Queen of Pentacles is your finances, your material world, your resources. So talagang mas blessed ka ngayon pagdating sa kaperahan, Taurus. Merong ka mga achievements, merong celebration dito sa work, pwedeng nagkaroon ka ng, I see someone na, meron ka ng sarili mong office, pwedeng work from home setup, pero naayos mo yung office mo, ang ganda ng home setup mo. Some of you nakabili ng bagong sasakyan, yung iba sa inyo, na-promote sa work, kumbaga meron ka ng leadership role, okay? Kaya lang mukhang ang challenge ninyo for some of you Taurus, relationships, connections with someone. Can be romantic, family, friends. Take what resonates. Meron talagang misunderstanding eh. Kaya lang possible rin naman na maayos, no? With the Ace of Cups. Meron ditong makaka-realize ng kanyang pagkakamali, pwedeng magkaroon ng peace offering na, uy, sorry na, hindi na maulit. Yeah, with the Queen of Cups, kasi pwedeng, yun nga, mahal mo yung tao, no? And you want to give this person a chance. Magsiset ka lang talaga ng boundaries na, okay, wag mo na ulitin, or dapat hindi na to mangyari, kasi the next time na mangyari to, that's it. That's the end. Ganon. If you're single naman, I see someone na may interest sa'yo, romantic interest sa'yo. Itong person na to, parang lagi mong kaaway. Oo, alam niyo yung kasabihan, the more you hate, the more you love. Oh, baka ito yung taong lagi may conflict sa inyo, pero ang totoo, nagpapapansin lang to sa'yo. Let's see. Unsuccessful outcome to a problem. O, ayun na nga, broken o naputol. So, baka yun nga, yung iba sa inyo, you will be cutting off someone in your life. A meeting with a stranger could be important. You will be meeting someone. Pwedeng ito yung, for some of you, mga single dyan, na may opportunity to meet a new person in your life. Plenty of material things. Oh, ito yung sinabi ko sa inyo, Taurus, di ba? Very blessed kayo in your finances, in your resources. Yung mga pangangailangan nyo, andyan. New creative ideas, new ventures, a fresh start. Oh, may fresh start talaga for some of you, Taurus. After this betrayal, difficulties, disappointments, ayan, meron ka namang fresh new start. A stubborn, aggressive person. So, pwedeng ikaw to. Medyo aggressive, or someone that is connecting with you, no? Kaya yan yung reason kung bakit nagkaka-challenge kayo or nagkaka-conflict kayo. Kasi matigas yung ulo, medyo aggressive yung person na ka-deal ninyo. Warning you of a problem either now or in the near future. So, ayun na. I feel like this is itong kailangan mong i-overcome na challenge with someone related to betrayal. Let's see. You have the Sun in the 8th house, Virgo. Okay. So, Sun is about clarity. This is about confidence, no, sa sarili mo. I feel like, man tong major change, no? 8th house is also related to Scorpio and Pluto, which is about endings and new beginnings. Man tong transformation na pinagdadaanan mo, you can definitely handle it. Oo. I feel like talagang ganun ka-strong to overcome any challenge, especially sa, form of betrayal sa isang relationship. Yan, no? Kalmang-kalma ka daw. A breakdown is often followed by a breakthrough. Remain calm. Oh my God, this really makes sense. So, I feel like itong breakdown na to, ito yung challenge, betrayal, drama na nangyari. And, ang kasunod niyan, breakthrough. Kalmahan mo lang daw. Choice. Worry less about making the right choice and more about being strong enough to handle any outcome. Oh, 'di ba? Malakas ka eh. Ito yung confidence level mo, sobrang taas. Na kayang-kaya mong i-handle yung magiging resulta ng decision mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. Bye.